I stitch my halo from barbed wire thread, lit the chapel with a cigarette. Roses bloomed in my open wounds. I kissed the ash and called it true. They said pick a side, I said break the scale. I wear both wings like a prison veil. Feathers in the furnace, watch me rise. Not a saint, not a sin, just a war in disguise. I'm the scream in the quiet, the glitch in the light, burning both ends of the sky tonight. My sword's a song with a broken tune. My hood's a vow I outgrew too soon. I dance with ghosts in fishnet grace and carve my name in empty space. Let the roses rot, let the feathers melt. I'm not your angel, I'm what's left when the myth forgets its maker and the truth forgets to bear.